Hey guys, welcome back to another Capcut tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit images in Capcut. So let's jump right in. Upload the images and click and drag it to the timeline. Select the video track and then on the right side you'll get all your customization tools. Click on Enhance and then click on Face. As you can see, Capcut has detected the face, so we can do all the necessary edits on this particular face. Alright, so let's just smoothen out the face. You can make it brighter. There's also an option to whiten the teeth. You can use this to brighten the teeth of the images. Let's go to facial beauty. If you're working for an ad agency and your client needs a particular face, you can edit it with these tools. So you can make it thinner or you can make it broader. You can even change the chin length. Alright, that's better. You can make the face short if you want. The lower part of the face, the middle part and the upper part. You can do all these edits and all the changes will be only on the face. Let's go down and click on this makeup option. Here you can see there are a bunch of different makeup filters that you can use. Alright, so select the filter that you like the most. Alright, so we have done editing the face. Let's try editing the eyes. If you want big eyes, you can do that. Click on the nose, you can make it slimmer. Alright, once you're done editing the face, click on adjustment. And here we will change the hue, saturation and brightness. Select on the color that you want and then adjust with these settings. So you can edit all these individual colors and then do all the necessary changes according to you. After you're done, you can click on basics and you can do all the necessary changes from here as well. You can increase or decrease the brightness if you want. Let's change the contrast. Change the highlights, the shadows. Alright, so we have edited the image. Let's compare it to the original one. Alright, so this is our original image. It's a bit darker and the colors are not popping out. And this one is the edited one. See, there is a huge difference. Generally, Capcut is used for editing videos, but you can use it to edit images too. Alright, so once you're satisfied with the image, just click on export and save it to your computer. Alright, let's try editing one more image. And first of all, let's just rotate the image. Click here if you need to rotate your image. Alright, make it resize. There you go. Select on HSL and do all the necessary edits from here. Alright, so I have done some changes with the hue, saturation, brightness, contrast, highlights and shadows. So with just few minor adjustments, the image is looking much better. Let's just compare it to the original one. Alright, so that was our original image and this is the edited one. See, there's a lot of difference. Alright, so once you're satisfied with the image, just click on export and save it to your computer. Alright, so once you exported the video, just click on it and then just grab a screenshot and your image is ready to go. Alright, so we have taken the screenshots. You can click on it and there you go. Our images are ready. So that was a quick tutorial for you today. That's how you can edit images in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.